Sample.
Okay.
Like a man's Jerry. Always a come over here and a pick off the coconut bed. Come make we go a feed and one knee. And make we chop in banana.
How would you give me sample? Come on, what do you want to man? And chop it up.
I want to tell you something, boy, I'm fishing around.
You got me banana.
No, get there, cut it. Mr. The boy, I'm fine yesterday that court, man. I see
You
this.
got me banana. Me have got the cat in there, cut the banana. Jesus. You got it.
Let this water start for you.
You know me go to start with me name is going to start. You go over there then.